Check this out, guys. This is porcelain. This is a one-of-one Bugatti Veyron Grand Sport. It's called the L'Or Blanc. This is the first car in the world to have porcelain on the outside of the car and on the inside of the car. Let me show you. Here it is here. L'Or Blanc. Porcelain. Porcelain here again on the wheel. Porcelain here. It's like a work of art. I have the key. Come inside. We've got porcelain here. This is porcelain as well. This stands for the Royal Porcelain Factory. So this car, they collabed, Bugatti and the Royal Porcelain Factory, to come up with this incredible piece of art. Here is all porcelain as well. So the story of the dancing elephant, what you just saw here, is that the founder of Bugatti, his younger brother, was a sculptor, and that was one of his sculptures. Should we take it for a spin? I've got the speed key as well. So this unlocks all the horsepower of the car, and it just goes in here. You turn that around. The question is, would you want to own it? Listen to this. Ready? Woo-hoo-hoo! This car is amazing.